What kind of a family is this?
My learned colleague, I have never seen a family like this.
I think it's high time you talk to your client.
No! It's your client that needs to be talked to, not my client.
We all know the truth.
Yes. The truth will probably prevail in the court of law.
Tell him the truth and save us all of the stress.
Are you afraid of losing the case?
I should be asking you that.
Then let's meet in the court of law.
Good then.
Yeah, we'll meet in the court of law and you see me, Barrister Anthony, at work.
Brother Desmond, I am begging you in the name of God. Please.
See, forget all these things. Apart from my own will, there will be no will.
Brother Desmond.
Please.
Brother Desmond, please listen to me. Brother Desmond, if you have ever loved me as a sister, please listen to me. I am broken. Mother is broken. Our family is tearing apart. Please stop this.
I've not even started. Okay? When I start, you self, you will know. You get? That's it. I'll bring caterpillar and divide this house. I will take my own. Raphael will take his own. I've not started. Yeah, in one. When I start, I get coconut head. He will know himself now. He will know. My own will must be read. Period.
Brother Desmond, please. All of this is the handiwork of the devil.
It's better you tell the devil now. Tell the devil to accept my own will. Even the devil knows. See, if you call me out again because of this same issue, I'll not take it lightly with you. When I know.
Daddy, where are you? Daddy, where are you? Please. Your home has become a home of terror. Please. Please come and quench this fire. Daddy, I miss you. I miss you so much.
Oh no, normally that's how it's supposed to be. If that will is not read, no other will shall be read. Ha. So you see, that your brother is a crafty man. He has conspired with your father's lawyer. I know, Raphael. Forget I know all these things. I'm just playing along. By the time I strike, leave Raphael for me. You have to be very careful, Mr. Desmond, because your brother can do the undo. Now, Raphael will go. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing. Then if you say so, you'll see me at work. Yes. This is Nigeria. Every time I work. I'm a legal practitioner. That is why our normal slogan, work is a work. You are my client, I'll work for you.
Brother Biko, I am begging you in the name of God. Allow his lawyer to read the will so that peace can reign.
It's okay, stand up. Nothing will happen, okay? Nothing.
No, don't tell me that. You know the trouble that is forthcoming if the will is not read.
But you and I know he forged the will.
I know. But let's hear it. Let's know what he has in mind. Please.
I am the first son of this house, and our father will not be happy with me if I do otherwise. If he truly wants the will to be read, then he should drop his. Kate, don't let this work you up. God is our strength. Okay?
Why is it that nobody wants to listen to me? Why?
I don't for talking because this is the time for sharing. Give me my own, oh, my own, oh. Don't tell me to take it easy as I did. Nobody fit it to me. Give me my own, oh, my own, oh. I don't tire for talking because this is the time for sharing. Give me my own, oh, my own, oh. Don't tell me to take it easy as I did. Nobody fit it to me. Give me my own, oh, my own, oh. I don't tire for talking because this is the time for sharing. Give me my own, oh, my own.
Morning, sir. How are you?
Don't tell me to take it easy as I did.
My name is Desmond Robinson. I'm the new managing director of this company. Henceforth, no one should take order from anyone except me. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
No one should take order from anyone except who?
You.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Except me, right?
Yes, sir.
Very soon we'll start doing some reshuffling. Hey, get that. The different positions in this office. But normally, that's what it's supposed to be now, Abby.
Yes, sir.
That's what it's supposed to be. So yeah, you can go back to your different positions, huh?
Yes, sir.
Come here. Are you part of this place?
Yes, sir.
Really? What's your position here?
I work in the production hall, sir.
Okay. Looks like they're paying her well. You can go.
Thank you.
Alright, normally, I mean they give Wahala lift. That's what it's supposed to be now. You're welcome. What can I do for you?
What are you doing at father's office?
Well, I'm glad you called it our father's office. So don't I have the right to stay in our father's office again?
What did you tell the workers?
I told them a very simple thing. I told them that I'm now the new managing director of this company and all others should be taken from me. Very simple.
Desmond, you're beating more than you can chew.
Get out of my office and next time you knock before coming in. Get out.
If not for blood, I swear, what I would have done to you is what you will live to regret for the rest of your life.
And if not for blood, I would have used this staple pin to staple your death mouth. Get out of my office also now.
I don't tire for talking because this is the time for sharing. Give me my own, oh, my own, oh. Don't tell me to take it easy as I did. Nobody fit it to me. Give me my own, oh, my own, oh. I don't tire for talking because this is the time for sharing.
Barrister.
Yes, please.
I need a court injunction to seal up my father's company until further notice.
What has your younger brother come up with again?
He took over my father's company, and this time around, I don't want to fight with him anymore. The best decision I've taken is to seal up the company for now.
That's so thoughtful of you, Raphael. A very wise decision you've taken.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please, I want you to do that as soon as possible.
I promise I will.
It's okay.
Let me get back to the office.
Okay.
I have 1 or 2 things to sort out.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Honey, you didn't go to work again today?
Something happened.
What happened?
There's a court warrant to shut down the company till further notice.
Shut down your father's company? By who?
It's Raphael.
Hey,
Raphael's game.
what rubbish? I mean, what is wrong with that man? What is wrong with him?
Well, I don't care if anything is wrong with him.
Honey, you have to care this time, oh. You really have to care because we cannot continue like this. We can't.
Just take a chill pill. Don't be up in a hill.
How can I take it?
I know what I'm doing, my love.
I know, but this is becoming too much. That the company should be shut down till further notice.
I better still take a hot pill. I'm on it. But normally, that's so it's supposed to be now.
Honey, this is time to be serious. I am serious. Biko, you have to get serious. Like in Messy. That the company should be shut down. Who the hell is he? My husband, if you don't want to stand up, me, I will stand up and behave like a man. Now, I know why.
I know what I'm doing.
Your daddy said I should come and pick you.
Okay.
How is today study?
Fine.
You are doing well, right?
You said my parents are here. Where are they?
Little girl, your parents are not here, but you are going to stay here with us.
No! I won't stay here with you. I want to go back home.
Shut up and keep quiet!
Okay, honey, did you take our daughter from the school? No? Jesus! Ah! Oh my God! Oh!
So this is the time for sharing. Give me my own, oh, my own, oh. Don't tell me to take it easy, as I did. Nobody fit it to me. Give me my own, oh, my own, oh. I don't tire for talking because this is the time for sharing. Give me my own, oh, my own, oh. Don't tell me to take it easy, as I did. Nobody fit it to me. Give me my own, oh, my own, oh.
Mom, I don't understand exactly why you're crying. What Brother Rafa said is that his daughter was kidnapped by your own son. Not that she's dead. Please stop crying.
I am crying because this one has lost his senses. What if he does something stupid to flourish?
I don't think Brother Desmond will do that.
What if he does?
Is he mad? He cannot try it now. His whole family will join.
That means I will not have grandchildren.
Please. Let me stop now. It's okay.
How on earth will you say such a thing? How will I prefer what over my daughter?
Then accept the condition and bring back my daughter.
No, 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 no. Desmond is trying to play a fast one on me that I will not accept. First, let him bring back our daughter, then the will be read.
But he said he would bring back our daughter after the will is read.
I am not comfortable with that.
Raphael, you must. You must. This house will not contain us if you do not bring back my daughter. What kind of a man are you? What kind of a man are you? Do you prefer wait for our daughter's life? Do you? Let me not see my daughter tomorrow. I will see one.
Hello? Brother Desmond, Mom wants to see you at home right now.
Dear Desmond, stop asking silly questions. I want to see you at home now. Now! Okay, Raphael is here. Talk to him.
Desmond, I have agreed to your terms. Come back home with our daughter and the will. I am ready to be by whatever you say. Okay. How do you want it? Okay, this first speaker. It's okay. I agree. Police will not be involved.
Please, I swear it's my life. Police will not be involved. I beg you, please.
Desmond, I promise you. Police will not be involved.
Anyhow you want, please, will do, please.
So, let's proceed.
Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this will was crafted on the 6th day of February 2010 by me, Mr. Robinson Okenwa, in the presence of Barrister Anthony Ikemefuna, on how my property should be shared. This is the will. My two sons, Mr. Raphael Robinson Okenwa and Mr. Desmond Robinson Okenwa, will be the managing directors of my company, Robinson Resources Nigeria Limited. My resident home at number 4 Okenwa Street will go to my lovely wife, Mrs. Rebecca Robinson Okenwa, and thereafter will be handed over to my son, Mr. Desmond Robinson Okenwa. 30% of income annually realized in the company should go to my lovely daughter, Miss Kate Robinson Okenwa. My house at number 6 Ikorodu Road, which is the staff quarters, will go to my second son, Mr. Desmond Robinson Okenwa. My 4 cars should be shared among my family. 1. My wife, Mrs. Rebecca Robinson Okenwa. 2. My first son, Mr. Raphael Robinson Okenwa. 3. My second son, Mr. Desmond Robinson Okenwa. And my third child, Miss Kate Robinson Okenwa. Finally, a sum of 200 million naira cash in my bank account will be shared accordingly. 1. 50 million naira should go to my lovely wife, Mrs. Rebecca Robinson Okenwa. 2. 60 million naira should go to my first son, Mr. Raphael Robinson Okenwa. 3. 60 million naira should go to my second son, Mr. Desmond Robinson Okenwa. 4. 30 million naira should go to my third child, Miss Kate Robinson Okenwa. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is my will. Thank you.
I don't want what's yours.
Okay. Since we all keeping quiet, it simply means one thing. That the will is accepted. Right? Raphael, you heard the will. Do you have anything to say?
I had a will, and everything was well understood.
Thank you.
And I'm making this promise to you that everything as stated in the will be implemented.
Very good now. Very, very good. If you're doing like this, we won't be quarreling now. Won't be quarreling.
Desmond.
So let's know when we'll, sign the necessary documents and everybody will be happy.
Desmond, can I say something?
You want to say something? Well, as long as there's not anything that will contradict the will, you can go ahead and talk.
It has nothing to do with the will. We all have listened and understood the will and agreed to do what is written in the will. But I want to ask you for something.
Which is?
Can we hear the second will?
So this one he just read now is not will, Abi? So you started that thing that brings problem, Abi? And I'm here praising you, thinking you've changed. No, this one he just read now, it's not will. Does it mean our father had 2 wills?
Desmond, this man here has been our father's lawyer. Matter of fact, we've known him to be our father's lawyer. Let us listen to him.
What's my business with listen? What's my business? Say you've started that thing that brings quarreling. He just read a very simple will we're meant to admit, and you're here telling me, Raphael. Now me they give wahala leave though. The only business I have with you, tell me the day we will all assemble here and share my father's properties accordingly. And I'll bring back your daughter, that is if you still want her alive. Now me be the person where they give wahala lift. If you don't want my problem, try me.
Brother Desmond.
If you call my name and slap you, will change color.
Just go.
I don't want what's yours. Now my own I want the. By JJ or force. Anyhow you want them. Now my own.
let's listen to the will. Listen to which will? See, Mr. Desmond, your brother has promised to follow your will. So let's listen to the other will. Yeah. I have told you, if you're tying weed, be removing the seed. It goes a long way. Mr. Desmond, I am telling you the fact. Are you out of your mind? Do you want to complicate everything? After accepting my own will, you're telling... See, let's just listen to their will and see how foolish they are. Really, it won't change anything. Yeah. Hi. Can you just see me cut out the book? Let's just go in and listen. When are we returning these suits that we rented?
With the will. Why will you allow your father's lawyer to read the will?
I am very, very comfortable with or without my father's property. I do not want to talk about this again.
If you were comfortable with the will, why have you been fighting with Desmond all this while?
I needed a needful to be done. Excuse me.
I'm not a good person. That's what people will say. Well, I've thought of it. They will call me a bad person. It's okay. I'm here to hear the will of the charge and bail lawyer.
Barrister Man.
Yes, please.
Proceed.
For a briefcase or a lawyer, like we're about to do sacrifice here. Looking like he's about to bring out egg. And offer. My friend, read this thing fast. Let's get out of here.
This will was written and signed by me, Mr. Robinson Okemo.
We know you signed the will. Just go ahead.
2005, in the presence of my lawyer, Barrister Madu Uweku. Below are my wishes on how my property will be shared amongst my family. My company, Robinson Resources Nigerian Limited, situated at number 2, Okenwa Close, will be managed by my 2 sons, Raphael Robinson Okenwa and Desmond Robinson Okenwa. as managing directors of both companies. 20% share annually goes to my wife, Mrs. Rebecca Robinson Okenwa. 10% share annually goes to my daughter, Miss Kate Robinson Okenwa, while my two sons shares the rest equally. An empty land worth 342 million naira situated at number 8 Okosisi Road is willed to my lovely son, Mr. Desmond Robinson Okenwa. Another empty land worth 50 million naira situated at number 24 Orumba Street is willed to my first son, Mr. Raphael Robinson Okenwa. In Ozomagala Market, I have functioning 214 shops. 64 shops are willed to my first son, Mr. Raphael Robinson Okenwa. 100 shops are willed to my lovely son, Mr. Desmond Robinson Okenwa. 50 shops are willed to my daughter, Miss Kate Robinson Okenwa. My staff quarters situated at Ezebulo Crescent is willed to my wife, Mrs. Rebecca Robinson Okenwa. A sum of 500 million naira cash in my bank account will be shared accordingly. 100 million naira is willed to my wife, Mrs. Rebecca Robinson Okenwa. 150 million naira is willed to my first son, Mr. Raphael Robinson Okenwa. 50 million naira is willed to my daughter, Miss Kate Robinson Okenwa. 200 million naira cash is willed to my lovely son, Mr. Desmond Robinson Okenwa. 50 million naira is willed to my daughter, Miss Kate Okenwa. Finally, my residential house, both city and village, remain unwilled and are there for every member of my family. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry the way my will partially went in favor of my lovely son, Mr. Desmond Robinson Okenwa. That is because he deserves it. I called him my lovely son because he is the son after my very heart, even though he is violent. I still love him most. Thank you once again. My name is Robinson Okenwa Okosisi 1 of Maga.
I'll see you later. Bye, sir.
Honey, what's the problem? Honey, you're crying. Please stop. What is the problem?
Daddy, why are you crying? Daddy, stop crying.
Tell me.
They've read the will.
Okay.
I've been fooling myself all this while.
What happened? Talk. See, honey, there is something I've been meaning to talk to you about. I think it's high time. I just need to tell you about it.
It's okay, my love. Go on.
Are you same blood with your brother Raphael? I mean, are you same mother, same father?
Of course. Raphael is my immediate elder brother, while Kate is my immediate younger sister. Why do you ask?
A lot has gone wrong.
Like what?
To me, there are a lot of things that I'm seeing that I'm really not comfortable with.
Okay. Well.
All right, let me break it down. In your father's company, your brother behaves. I mean, he carries himself as if he's the managing director of that company, but he's not. His office is way bigger and more beautiful than yours. How do we see that? I mean, how do we explain it? Is that not being preferential?
Well, if you ask me, I don't see anything wrong with...
Oh my love, open your eyes. This is not just about your father's company. There are a lot of things that you need to open...
my love, please, let's not talk about that, please. Let's talk about some other things.
You don't want to listen to me?
I feel it's not necessary. Being in a big office or small office doesn't really entail
it's okay.
anything.
Let's forget it. You will soon understand what I'm talking about. My husband, I still do not understand why every member of your family hates you so much, including your own father. And you're doing nothing about it. It doesn't matter to you. I don't know if you understand what it means for a father to hate his own son. It's not good at all. Everything will be moved over to your elder brother, including the will. Everything I tell you. And to tell you the truth, you are automatically a loser. Look at your elder brother, parading himself as the DMD of your father's company. If that is the position he obtains, what about you? If that happens, then what is your stand? Where do you rightly belong? Because I don't know. Listen, my husband, I am not ready to suffer with my children. I am not. Make hay while the sun shines. You should own everything. You should, not the other way around. Huh? A word is enough for a wise man. If you like, you listen. If you like, don't. But what I am telling you right now is that I will never suffer with my children. Oh God. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. We have made the worst mistake of our lives. I perfectly understand how you feel right now, my love, but please, you don't have to get all emotional, please. Please. Stop crying.
Daddy, stop crying.
I couldn't understand what you were telling me, but now I know everything you told me is true. Come see Chambara, cause he ready, forgive me, I was wrong. I didn't realize what I was doing. Now I see so clear the mistakes I've been making. Come see Chambara, cause he ready, forgive me, I was wrong. Oh, I'm not who I was before. I'm not fighting anymore. Forgive me, I was wrong. Oh, I'm not who I was before. I'm not fighting anymore. Forgive me, I was wrong.
No, please. I'm very, very sorry. I know I'm not worth being a member of this family anymore. But please, I'm still part of this family. Forgive me, Mother, I'm still your son. Please, my brother, please. Please.
Mommy, the truth is that we are not worthy to stand before you. But we have done so many unthinkable things. But please, do find a place in your heart to forgive us. If not for anything, for the sake of my son, our son, please.
I couldn't understand what you were telling me, but now I know everything you told me is true. Come see Chambara, cause he ready. Forgive me, I was wrong. I didn't realize what I was doing. Now I see so clear the mistakes I've been making. Come see Chambara, cause he ready. Forgive me, I was wrong. I'm not who I was before. I'm not fighting anymore. Forgive me.
Thank you, Mommy. Mom said normally now so it's supposed to be.
Now you making trouble. Lift.
I'm sorry, Mommy. I know they give problem. Lift. Sorry, Mommy. Sorry. Normally now so it's supposed to be now. Normally, one family. And so it's supposed to be.
Let's go.
I'm not who I was before. I'm not fighting anymore. Forgive me, I was wrong. I'm not who I was before. I'm not fighting anymore. Forgive me, I was wrong. I'm not who I was before. I'm not fighting anymore. Forgive me, I was wrong.
Well, normally that's what it's supposed to be now. That's what it's supposed to be. Even like one family. That's what it's supposed to be. That's what it's supposed to be.
Like who I
I need to do what I lift.
Look at you. Color changer. Color changer. Come and change my color. Color changer.
I need to give what I
Color changer.
Don't trouble us again.
I need to give what I lift. Leave that from here. One love.
Oh, that's it. One foot. Mamiya.
Hi.
Mamiya.
When I was
More.
Don't be like that. It's okay. It's okay. Why is it funny?
This calls for celebration.
Yeah. I'll sing you another baby, Mama.
Now I see so clear the mistakes I've been making. Come see Chambara, cause he ready. Forgive me, I was wrong. I'm not who I was before. I'm not fighting anymore. Forgive me, was before. I'm not fighting anymore. Forgive me, I was wrong. I'm not who I was before. I'm not fighting anymore. Forgive me, I was wrong. I don't want what's yours.